After watching this video, you will master another type of exchange sacrifice. This one I call the passer on the third rank. So in this situation, white is way faster on the e-file to challenge it and to take it over with the rooks, but black has this huge move rook to e3, which blocks everything. Rook e3 is an exchange sacrifice because white is actually able to take there with the bishop, but by doing that he would create a strong pass pawn for the black side, and this passer can never really be removed, and the rooks are very bad, which means that the exchange sacrifice should be very fine. So in this position the game continued after king to g1, queen f4, not letting the bishop out with some f4 sacrifice, and after bishop f1 white is trying to coordinate with rook to g2 and bishop to e2. So black would be much better, but yeah, maybe the position is too closed if he doesn't take the pawn, so I think it's best to take the pawn on f3 and then go to g3, and you can squeeze him forever. If it's really winning or just close to it, I leave open for debate, but at this point it's already clear that black is having no issues. The rooks are passive and they will never be active because there will never be an open file in the game, while the bishop and the knight will be superior. Actually, in this structure it's much easier for knight and the bishop to maneuver around than for a rook. So remember this motive: getting a strong passer on the third rank can be worth sacrificing in exchange, because the passer might restrict the enemy rooks, and it's a strength in itself and justifies this little loss of material. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.